Hello guys, today I have another Ford Edge 2017-18 model. The problem of the car is the radiator fan is not working and also the AC fan is not working. So because of that, the temperature of the car goes up. If we start the car, if we keep the car start for more than 5 to 10 minutes, the temperature goes up and the radiator fan is not working. At that time I have checked, and also the AC is getting hot. So let's see. As you can see, both of the fans are stopped and they are not working. So let me check first the wiring. I will disconnect the circuit of the fan. This is the fan circuit I have disconnected. First I will check the ground and positive of the fan. So we are going to check first the ground, the positive current. It's not coming. Let's see the ground. So there is ground, but there is no voltage, no current coming from the fuse box. So we will check first the fuses, if the fuses are okay or not. So here are the fuses. All fuses are okay. I will check all of them. And also there are fuses at the back of the fuse box, so we will have to open the fuse box for that. So let me open it up. For time being I will pause the video. We have disconnected the fuse box, and this the other side of the fuse box. As you can see, these two are the fan fuses. As you can see, both of them are blown. As you can see, both of them are blown. So we are going to replace them, and let's see how the problem is solved by replacing that. So we have replaced both of the fuses. Now let's see if there is current in the car or not. So let me start the car again. I will check the current, the circuit of the fan. As you can see, there is current coming because we have replaced the fuses. So the problem was with only the fuses. So we will connect this circuit back to the car. So the problem is solved with this. So we have connected the other connector too. As you can see, both of the fans are working. So the problem was with the fuses. These two, both of the fuses were blown. So we have replaced both, and problem is solved. So now our temperature is okay and everything is okay. So only the problem was with the fuses.